Hello friends, welcome to Smiley channel. Today I'll be showing you how to prepare Oreo milkshake and as well as ice cream together at once. It is looking so yummy, even the milkshake and as well as ice cream, even the taste too tasted so delicious. So try this friends once at home, and all the ingredients are easily available at home. You can make it at home. So to prepare this, we need a base. For that, keep any pan, add around 500 ml of milk. This is normal cow milk. You can add any packet milk or full fat milk, anything. Bring it to boil. Meanwhile, in a bowl, take 2 tablespoons of corn flour. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk and mix it. Make sure that there are no lumps. And add this mixture in the boiling milk. So in this recipe I am going to use homemade condensed milk. If you don't have homemade condensed milk, you can use sugar. You can add around half cup of sugar in this. So once it thickens, you can turn off the flame. So if you want to know how to make condensed milk at home, I'll be posting link in the description box. You can just have a look at it. See, let it cool down completely. Meanwhile, in a mixie jar, I'm adding 4 Oreo biscuits and coffee powder, instant coffee powder, brew I'm using here, and around half cup of cream. This we get on the top of the milk. That cream only I'm using. Then homemade condensed milk, half cup. Vanilla essence, 3 drops. Just grind it for 3 minutes friends, till you get nice creamy consistency. So this is most important. And then pour it in a bowl. By this time, even our milk mixture is ready. We'll just see whether it is cooled down or not. Add that milk mixture in the same mixie jar and grind it for another 3 more minutes till you get nice creamy consistency, and mix together now Oreo and as well as the milk one. So together you need to grind together till you get nice creamy consistency for about 3 minutes. So this consistency is very important to get ice cream in a creamy way. So that is why I am telling you friends. Now put it in any box, whatever container, airtight container you have, and then place a cover on the top and close it. So you need to refrigerate this for 6 to 8 hours. Meanwhile, if you want to grind one more time after 2-3 hours, you can take out and grind, but I did not do that. So when you grind properly, you will be getting this creamy texture and creamy ice creams. That you need to remember friends. So now keep it in the freezer. See, with the same mixture I'm going to prepare milkshake here. So added little bit of chocolate syrup and 4 ice cubes. Now I'm going to pour our Oreo mixture, crushed Oreo biscuit pieces and as well as little bit of chocolate I added. That really gives nice yummy crunchy in between the taste when we are drinking the shake. So it will be really yum for this hot summer. Try this once friends. And now let us see our ice cream. After overnight I am opening this. See, it is looking so creamy. So you can take as scoops as well as you can cut and serve. If you like the recipe, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and click on bell icon for my new video notifications. Please comment about it. So try this and taste this yummy ice cream and as well as milkshake at home. So now I'll cut and show you. Just have a look at it. In between we added some Oreo crunches, biscuits. See, look at friends, so creamy and nice. Thank you so much for watching and subscribing to my channel. Try this recipe and share it with your friends too. Thank you.